Hello. So, for today's video, I thought it would be amazing to do a makeup tutorial because I know nobody wants this. But I don't really give a fuck. You're probably wondering why it's called a GRWB instead of a GRWM. You're getting ready with B! So first of all, the glasses have to come off. So now I officially can't really see the viewfinder. So I'll just show you each thing as we bring it out. So first of all, my fart. This is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea! My beauty blender is crusty as hell and officially been wetted. Wetted? No, it's dirty and it's wet. That sounds so bad! What shade is this, if you wanted to know? This is Fair Neutral. So basically, I don't really know how you're supposed to use this. Sometimes I drip it on my hand, sometimes I drip it on the beauty blender. Today, I'm just gonna put it on my face. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. Oh no, shit! We don't waste around here. Just there. And you just kind of... This feels aggressive. I don't really think about it when I'm doing it, you know, for myself. And if you're gonna say to me, but Beeps, you already have eyeliner on. No, that is makeup that I wore yesterday that I just washed in the shower and couldn't get all off my face. So, now you know. Wow, that looks great. Oh. Okay, so now that that's done, that looks okay. Then we'll do the eyeballs. Now the eyeballs, I spend the most time on my eyeballs. I have a few palettes with us today. We have the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette, and it's got a lot of different colors, as you can see. And then we also have the Too Faced Chocolate Chip. It's like the chocolate bar, but it's tiny. It comes with a lot of colors as well. We've also got the BH Studio Pro. And it has a lot of colors. This one was broken when I got it, and then something else happened, and then I broke it really bad again. So I just got it out of there because I don't really need that color anyway. It's not very cute for my face. Brought out every single brush that I own. This is 2 different BH Cosmetics sets, and then there's these, I can't pronounce this name. I don't even think you can see it. So, you know, but there's only 3 of that kind. They're an eye brush trio. I guess I'll start with this big fluffy guy. I don't know what any of these are supposed to be for. I just know what I use them for, and I use the big fluffy one for some bullshit on my eyes. Let's start with this color from the Too Faced Chocolate Chip. I'll just go ahead and put that all over. Man, this is weird. I don't even see a difference. I use this color all the time. Is there a difference? Oh my god. So I just do that all over, and that's cool. And then I'm gonna go with this brush here. This is like a, I don't know. I'm gonna go with this color Hide and Seek off of the Nightingale palette. So we just kind of do this and just put it in there. Now, the way that I do my makeup is probably a bit different. I think it is anyway. Because my eyes are stupid and I can't follow the typical makeup application methods just because it would look like shit on my face. And I've tried many times. Basically the deal is my eyes are set really deep in my head, and so a lot of looks don't look nice. But we do what we can. After that, I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna run it through a color that's a little bit darker, and I'm gonna pull that color from my chocolate bar palette. We're gonna go with this one here, just a little bit like this, and tap tap, and then we're gonna go in and like ram that under my eyelid, under my brow bone, no, my eyeball socket. Yeah, that's your eye socket bone. I like to ram the color under my eye socket bone. I don't know. Alright, perfect, perfect, you're doing great. You can really modify this to fit your own eyeballs. I just know how mine work. So then I want to look at lid colors. For my lid, I like to do something a lot lighter than what I was putting on before so that my eyelids will pop out. See, the goal for me is I want to minimize the appearance of this fucking eyeball bone. I like to go in with a really light color on the eyelid to make the eyelid more prominent. So I'm gonna use this color right here. And I just take my finger and circle it around. I know it's probably really gross. Maybe it's not. I don't actually know. And then I'm just going to wipe that across my eyelid. That's basically it. Another step you can take that I like to do sometimes, I take a little brush like this and I go back in the darkest color that I used, this guy here. And sometimes I'll run it on the bottom as an eyeliner. Just to kind of, I don't know, because really dark like pencil eyeliners and shit, like black eyeliner, I can't do. Because it just doesn't work. Not on these peepers, it doesn't. So that's basically the eyeshadow look. Now we'll move on to the brows. For my brows, there are different things that I do depending on how I feel or what I have readily available near me. In this case, all I have is my Benefit Brow Primer. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you the eyeshadow brow technique. First I will put on the primer. You just kind of click this until stuff comes out, like there's a little bit now. You can kind of see, I don't really know. But I just go in and put that on the brow, like so. And it just makes everything ready for life, which is important. And you don't have to click it again for the other brow. You can, I don't. And your girl needs her eyebrows groomed, but don't talk about that. When I started with the red hair, I was doing like a redder eyeshadow to go in so my eyebrows kind of look like my hair. But lately I've been just doing brown. But today, it's a special day because you're here, so we're gonna go ahead and do the red. Now I'm going to use this color here. It's a darker red color. It looks darker in person than it does on the camera, but hopefully it looks okay. I just take I don't know what to call it, I call it an angled rectangle brush, and I go ahead and drag that through the shadow a few times and tap, and then you just go in and apply it to your eyebrows. Wow, this is actually looking pretty good. Look at that! Wow! Holy fuck. Damn. That's not bad. It's kind of thick, but it's not bad. And then you just do that to the other side. And they're not really even, my eyebrows. Again, don't give a shit. I don't. So, the last step in this look is to apply mascara. Mascara I use is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. For the longest time I was using, is it Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes? Yes, I was using that for the longest time. But I didn't want to keep paying that much money every time I needed mascara, and I found this dupe, and it's basically the same thing, just it's like $6. Go get it. Go get it. This is gonna be hard to do in this mirror. Go in like that. And you can do the zigzag thing, and then I hit up the bottom, just like that. Normally I do 2 coats, but this looks okay to me. So I'm not really gonna worry about it. That's probably because I can't really see what I look like right now. Okay, so I don't use highlighter or bronzer or anything like that because I don't know how, and I always end up looking orange. I also don't do lipstick because I've tried a lot of times to find one that looks nice and none of them actually ever turn out. So now I take the hair down. I don't even always put my hair up to do my makeup. I just take that down. It's still wet from the shower, but that's fine. And I just kind of, I don't actually brush my hair when I get out of the shower. I don't, I brush it before, and that usually keeps it fine, and I'll just brush it later when it dries. And then we go in for the visual enhancement here. And that is how you be me. I guess we should do that like beauty montage now, huh?
Skin. I nurture my skin. Shh. No, tell everyone. Do the gold bond tingle. I nurture my skin. Foot powder spray.
Thanks for watching. I know you didn't want this, but I'm glad you watched anyway. And just like stay cool and stuff, you know? Bye. Have a beautiful time.